Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can share your Google Calendar event link. So first of all, of course, you want to go ahead and create your event link. So you just want to click on anywhere on the calendar to create your event. Then you just want to put in the details of your event, the time as well. And then you just want to go ahead and click on add Google Meet video conferencing so that it will create a link for you. Then you just want to go ahead and copy that link, and then you can just manually send that to anyone who you want to join the meeting. And then the other way is by clicking on the add guests here, which will allow you to directly send an invite to anyone via Gmail. Then you just want to write the email of whoever you want to send an invite to. Then just click on them, and then you just want to click on save. Then click on send so that it will send the invitation via email. And there you go. It's as easy as that. Thanks for watching.